This could be the car for you. The 2023 Nissan Rogue. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, proximity key entry, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, all-wheel drive, lane keeping assist, premium sound system. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.